about a year ago, Google started to allow video upload onto the Google My Business profile, aka the knowledge panel or your Google business listing. There are certain parameters that Google requests by policy. Can be no longer than 30 seconds in duration and no larger than 100 megabytes in file size. Now, that being said, we have uploaded videos that are longer than 30 seconds. I've uploaded videos closer to the 3 minutes. I haven't tested the size policy because frankly I haven't gotten to a video that was exceeded 100 megabytes. That's pretty big, especially for just a 30-second video. So while Google is allowing that currently, the stated policy is 30 seconds, 100 megabytes. So what I tell all my clients and anybody that I'm talking to about the video on the Google My Business profile is enjoy it while it lasts. If it's longer than 30 seconds, let it be there. Use it in your marketing efforts. Enjoy the extra length. But if for whatever reason Google comes back around and says, okay, we're eliminating anything over 30 seconds, then it just is what it is. That was their stated policy from the beginning.